Welcome to a Math-Matic Monday. Today we are going to finally make it to the Make a 10 strategy. We are also going to show multiple ways to model a number. So we have the numbers of base 10 block. We're going to change it to expanded form, standard form, and written form. So let's get started with this Make a 10 strategy. On the side of your paper, I want you to just write the tens. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 is 100, but is also a group of tens. It is 10 tens, 100. So what we're going to do here is we are going to make a 10 when we're adding numbers together. So here's an example for you. 15 plus, what do I need from this 9 to make a 10? Well, 15 is greater than 10. So the next 10 I can make is 20. 15 plus 5 will equal 20. So now that's going to make this really easy because I already made a 10. It's very easy to add to a 10. So up here, 9, I broke into 5. To give me that 10, 20. How much more do I need over here to make 9? 9 plus what? 5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus what equals 9? I need 4. So here I made 20 by pulling 5 out of 9. I made a 10. And here I can add 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. Which means 15 plus 9 equals 24. See the process that we did? 15 and 5 gives me the 10, 20. So these are all of my 10s. Remember we wrote those down? Those are all my 10s on the side. I'm sorry it's so bright. I can make it so it's not so bright. So these are all of my 10s on the side over here. And the next 10 I can make after 15 was 20. Because 10 is too small, 30 is too big. So the next 10 I can make was 20. So I needed 5 more to make 20. And then here, for 9, 5 plus 4 equals 9. And I used that 4 here. And I ended up with 24, which lets me know 15 plus 9 is 24. Let's try it over here. 43 plus 9. What 10 comes after 43? Let's look over here. Here's 40. So 43 is going to be in between here somewhere. And my next 10 is 50. Well, how much do I need to get to 50? I need 7 more. Because 7 plus 3 is 10. So if 7 plus 3 is 10, and I already have this 10 here, I need 7 more to get to 50. Now over here, 7 plus what will equal 9? I could just use my fingers to count up. 7, 8, 9. So I need 2 more. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So here, 2 goes in this blank. What does 50 plus 2 equal? 52. Which means 43 plus 9 equals 52. So this is called gradually releasing. So we had our example here. The first answer is going to be a 10. We can see that each time. The second answer, I add what's in my box right here, 4 and 2. And then here I put my final answer. So let's do that with this one. 58 plus 9. 58, what is the next 10 after 58? So 50 is here. 58 is going to be in between here somewhere. And my next 10 is 60. How much do I need to get to 60 from 58? I just need 2 more. Because 2 plus 8 is 10. And 50 and a 10 would equal 60. So I'm going to put that on my first line. 58 plus 2 equals 60. There's my 10, just like I had a 10 here and I had a 10 here. Now I have to fill in the rest of this box. 2 plus what equals 9? We have that one over here. 2 plus 7 equals 9. So here's my second number. 60 plus 7 equals 67. Which means 58 plus 9 equals 67. We're going to do a lot more practice with this making 10. We're moving along with manipulating numbers. Making 10 mentally, being able to make a 10 mentally is going to really help you. I'm going to link the Make a 10 rainbow because that will help you understand how to make a 10 if that's not something that you remember. And the rainbow will really help you. Down here at the bottom, we have base 10 blocks that show us a number. So we have to figure out what this number is. Here are my hundreds, 100, 200, 300, 400. Plus my tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. So guess what? We just found out this number is 454. And we wrote it out in expanded form first. 400, 50, and 4. So standard form, I would write 454. Remember how we've been doing name that number so much? The reason why is because I knew one day the written form would come and you would have no word bank. And you would have to know how to spell these numbers. So we have 400, 50, 4. That's how we would spell it out. So you just modeled 454 in 4 different ways. As the base 10 blocks, which we've learned can help us with adding and subtracting. Expanded form, which at some point we will see will help us with adding and subtracting. Standard form, which is the way we write numbers all the time. And the written form. Wow, this was Math-Matic. This was a Math-Matic Monday. This here, we're going to keep practicing the rest of the summer, making a 10. Because when you see problems, you should be able to always think about how you can create a 10 so you can add mentally. So here, your 10 was 7 plus 3. And here, your 10 was 2 plus 8. Excellent job. I'm seeing some geniuses. See you soon. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.